Guys, welcome to PR Blogs and welcome to another video on my channel. Hello friends, welcome to Pranit Satyaj's Blogs. So in this video we are having two cooking recipes, children's favorite recipe, that is chapati pizza and bread pizza. First, what you need to do, you have to have a tomato ketchup or Szechuan chutney or something. Then you have to take some two breads, how many breads ever you want. So I'm taking here sandwich breads, 2 each. Now let's spread it, children's favorite yummy snack. Now spread it everywhere. So next thing, now take a pan, take a ghee or oil. Now take that spreaded one bread. Now you can take boiled corn, capsicum, tomato, onions. Same pizza, children's favorite snack. Chopped boiled corn, capsicum, onions and mozzarella cheese. This you will get in every supermarket, in every cities, and even in online stores, when in Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere, even in Big Basket also you will get. So I'll show chapati pizza in last. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and enjoy this video, and comment me for more recipe videos. Now your bread pizza is ready. Now take out from the pan. Now we are making chapati pizza. Now how to make chapati pizza is so easy. Now you guys will make a chapati at home only. Make like that only. Add some baking soda and into chapati. Now take a pan, bake like chapati, okay. So next thing, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, please guys. Now you can add some Szechuan chutney or tomato sauce, anything you can add. Now spread it everywhere. This I'm using Szechuan chutney. You'll get in every supermarket, in even online stores like Amazon, Flipkart or Big Basket. In every cities, everywhere you will get same pizza, but without oven. Now take mozzarella cheese. So we have taken some cubes and we chopped it, and we are taking, and we called it as mozzarella cheese. Any mozzarella cheese also you'll get in every supermarket. And now again you take that salad, corn, onions, tomato. Keep for 5 to 6 minutes. Bake it for 5 to 6 minutes only. Now let it be on the pan only. Now spread everywhere the cheese, chopped cheese.